Welcome back to my channel Gurukul. If you are watching my video for the first time, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for all notifications. Today I am going to start with a new lesson 6 with exercise 5.1. So the first question is, we have to state which of the following collections are set. So the first sum is all states of India. Yes, it is a complete set because we know the number of states are there in India, so we can group them. Yes, it is a set. Second one, 4 cities of India having more than 1 lakh population. अब ये complete set नहीं है because कोई specific criteria नहीं है कि वो 4 cities किस तरफ होना चाहिए. It should be north side of India, south, east or west or at the center. Because बहुत सारे city होंगे जहाँ की population more than 1 lakh है. Hence, this is not a set. Number 3, all tall students of your school. Again, this is not a set क्योंकि क्लास में कोई 3 फुट है, कोई 4 फुट है, so कुछ mention नहीं है that it should be above the given length. So this is again not a set. Fourth one, 4 colors of the rainbow. Again, this is not a set because they have not mentioned the first 4 colors of the rainbow, the last 4 colors of the rainbow, or the middle 4 colors of the rainbow. So hence it is not a set. Fifth one, all beautiful flowers. Again, this is not a set because किसी के लिए गुलाब बहुत सुंदर है, तो किसी के लिए कमल, तो किसी के लिए मोगरा. हाँ, अगर वो बोलता all beautiful flowers starting with R, तब वो एक set होता. Hence, this is not a set. Sixth one, all clever people of Lucknow. Again, this is not a set. Seventh one, last 3 days of a week. Yes, this is a set because वो criteria mention कर रहा है कि वो starting का है, कि last का है, कि middle का है. 8, all months of a year having at least 30 days. Again, this is also set because वो लोग mention किया है कि 30 days होना चाहिए या 31. Question number 2, it says if A is a vowel of English alphabets, then which of the following statements are true, and in case a statement is incorrect, we have to mention why. So the first one, it says C belongs to A. Now this is false because C is a consonant. Number 2, it is given bracket A, small a, belongs to A. This is again false because A, which is written in a bracket, is a set itself and hence it is not the element of A and not an element of A. Third one, A, I, U belongs to A. This is true. Fourth one, again in a bracket they have mentioned A, U does not belong to A. This is again true because they are a set themselves and not an element of A. Fifth one, bracket A, I, U belongs to A. This is false because A, I, U close bracket is a set and not the element of A. The sixth part is small a and small b belongs to A. So this is false because B does not belong to A but of course A belongs to capital A. Question number 3, we have to describe the following sets. So the first one, in bracket they have given A, B, C, D, E and F. So it is the first 6 letters of the alphabets. Second one, in bracket they have mentioned 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19 close bracket. So it is the prime numbers less than 20 close bracket. Third one, Friday, Saturday, Sunday mentioned in the bracket. So it is the last 3 days of the week close bracket. Fourth one, April, August and October written in the bracket. So it is the months starting with vowels. Question number 4, we have to write the following sets in tabular form and also in set builder form. So the first one, it is said the set of even whole numbers which lie between 10 and 50. So A is such, in bracket, set of even whole numbers which lies between 10 and 15. So starting from 12, 14, 16, 18, so on till 48. So this is tabular form. Now in set builder form, we are going to write that x is such that x is equal to 2n and n belongs to natural number such that it is less than 5 and less than 25 close bracket. Now let me explain this. ये जो n है वो है natural number. तो इसमें से बहुत जन को ये क्वेरीज होगा कि मैम ऊपर में तो होल नंबर दिया था, लेकिन यहाँ पे आप देखिए द क्राइटेरिया दे हैव मेंशन इज लाइंग बिटवीन 10 and 50. तो जब 10 से शुरू हो रहा है तो डजेंट मैटर वो होल हो या नेचुरल हो, बिकॉज ज़ीरो तो अब आ नहीं रहा है, इसीलिए यहाँ नेचुरल नंबर लिखा है. और x जो है वो है 2n मतलब क्योंकि ये इवन नंबर्स है, सो 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into so on. Next one, months of a year having more than 30 days. So it's very easy. A is equal to open bracket January. That means we have to write the names of all the months which are having 31 days. March, May, July, August, October and December. And secondly, it will be written as x is such that x is the months of the year having more than 30 days close bracket. Third one, set of single digit whole numbers which are perfect square. So that is 1, 4 and 9. And secondly, it will be written as x is such that x is a perfect square one-digit number, close bracket. Fourth sum, the set of factors of 36. So, we have to write down all the factors of 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. And secondly, x is such that x is a factor of 36. Thanks for watching my video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon and select all for every update.